So we're making the smokers cough.
For the record, whose idea was this?
Mine.
Okay.
Mine.
Okay, just for the record.
Alright. So Jägermeister.
1 part Jägermeister and half part
Mayonnaise.
It's a real drink.
Smoker's cough, baby.
It's called the Smokers.
Smokers cough.
Do you have a shot glass, or are you just gonna?
The shot glass.
Oh yeah, dude.
Well, it's supposed to be like a shot and.
Well, this is a shot glass.
We're gonna scale
Shot
it down.
half
We're gonna
easy.
scale it down a little bit.
Oh, it's gotta be.
Alright.
It's gotta be the real.
You gotta cut. I'm gonna go upstairs and get the actual
Okay. So here we go.
You might not. Okay, you might not like the mayonnaise, but I cannot stand the Jägermeister.
I know.
Okay.
So we're all screwed
Yeah,
here.
we're all screwed here. We'll keep it fair.
Oh yeah. Oh, and it begins. It's cool.
Nah,
It's
that's
cool. Are you ready for this?
I'm not sure.
Not quite sure.
We might need some yak bags.
That's what I'm saying. Get the garbage can ready, right?
Yeah.
You got it. You got it. All right, here comes the mayonnaise.
The mayonnaise.
Oh wow.
This is just disgusting.
It is disgusting. Here we go. Here we go.
You know what? We gotta send this to Nicole right away. That is, it's hard to get off.
A little, just a little blob, just a little
I will,
blob.
I will.
Come on.
Dude, it's use your finger.
Oh man, I am most definitely gonna get sick on that. Look at that.
Get it closer.
It does. Oh my gosh. Oh dude.
Just pretend it's whipped cream.
Oh dude.
Mayonnaise. Great with fries.
Oh.
Okay, Bobby's first.
Oh.
Hold on.
Oh. Honestly, I'm already getting sick, like, thinking about it right now.
Shut up.
Oh, come on.
Hold on.
You can do it.
Pass the camera.
Pass the camera.
Is it still on?
Yeah. Honestly, though.
The yak back. Hold on. Hold on.
Ready?
Bobby,
Yeah.
to health, wealth, and not getting sickness.
Oh.
You're not blowing chunks.
I'm getting nervous right now. Alright.
Ready?
Focus.
Oh,
You're
dude.
a pack. You're a pack.
Come on.
Alright.
Just do it. What's that?
Oh, dude.
Yummy?
Oh, dude.
You
Now
get
it's your
sick?
turn. No, I'm good. I'm good.
Ready?
Wow.
Here, you can get a pick.
Yeah. Hold on.
I'll stop and pose.
Okay, here we go. Yeah. Yeah.
Who put that on the website? It must have been from the Hellman's Mayonnaise Company.
It's gross though because it
Alright, we're
sits
done.
in your throat.
Alright, we're done. Clean it up. Come on.
Alright, your turn.
No, we're done. We're done.
Your turn.
No,
your
what?
turn. No, stop. Seriously.
videotaping.
Seriously?
Pass
Come
it on.
Come on.
The camera. I can't send a video picture to her.
Oh yeah.
So,
Uncle Bob's turn.
I was just kidding.
Do it.
Down. Down. No.
No,
Come
you
on.
gotta just do it.
Come on. You like the
You,
mayonnaise.
you got no chase or nothing. Here we
Chew
go.
the mayonnaise.
You gotta chew it. You gotta.
Give me a knife and fork. I'm not
No.
mayonnaise. Bad enough I gotta drink Jägermeister.
It's kind of like just shooting an oyster.
Show me.
I
No,
did.
go.
I told you already.
No laugh. I can't laugh. Don't laugh.
Okay.
I'm gonna laugh. I'm gonna drink.
You just spit it all over. Smoker's cough.
Yes.
That's good.
Oh, dude, it's delicious. It's delicious.
I think the mayonnaise helped it slide down better.
You want another one?
No.
No.
Everything okay?
What's that?
Everything okay?
Absolutely perfect.
We heard Bobby's not feeling well. Let's check in on him. You okay? I tried to get you sleeping so I could go, this is Bobby, the morning after the shot drink.
But I was texting.
You blew it. Let's start
Oh,
over.
no.
We're going to check in on Bobby. This is the morning after the smoker's cough drink.
When I heard the door creak, I couldn't do it.
Take two. This is the morning after Bobby's smoker cough drink. We heard Bobby's not feeling well. This is because of that lucid. What's the name of the drink?
Smoker's cough.
Let's do it again. Let's check in on Bobby. This is the morning after that deadly drink.